To race number 4. Good luck on your second set of your winner take all. And the race is on right here, right now. Cruises on the outside is Titanic, Chevron, Juggling Act, Ascal, Botbo, and In the Hay is the early trailer. Cruises by about 2 lengths, followed by Titanic in second. Rushing up is Ascal by Drelan, going along for the first turn. Cruises by about 5 lengths. Ascal in second. Titanic racing in third by Daryl Ford is right here, right now. Botbo in the Asia Brom and Juggling Act is running at the tail of the field. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Cruises by about 4 lengths. Ascal in second. In the Hay is racing in third by Daryl right here, right now. Botbo, Titanic, Chevron, and Juggling Act still trailing the group. And as they race the last 900, Cruises by only 2 lengths. Ascal in the Hay. Botbo right here, right now by the Titanic, Chevron, and here comes Juggling Act taking the second last as they race the last 600. Cruises, Ascal on the outside. It's now Ascal, Cruises by Daryl, both body outside in the A. And rushing up in between runners, Juggling Act as they race the final corner. Ascal takes the lead from Cruises. And on the outside is Juggling Act. It's Ascal, Cruises, Juggling Act on the outside is Botbo. But still Ascal by about 2 lengths, Juggling Act. And nearing the finish line, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, Juggling, rather Ascal, winning this race 2013 Pircom Leopoldo Leo El Prioto. One race,